Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to contact the customer service in the TenantApp application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. And then click on the three lines at the top of the page on the left. And then scroll down and click on the Help Center button. And the way you can contact the technical support is to first set your name and then just type them a message, anything that concerns you, or if you have any problems with the application, with the services. And then just click on the send message button and they will reply to you as soon as possible. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.